Hey everyone, did you know that the right AR15 Red Dot sight could completely transform your shooting experience in 2025? Whether you're a pro or just starting, there's a perfect match for your needs. Stick around as we break down the best options, from the high-end heavy hitters to budget-friendly gems. Let's dive in. Number 4, Trijicon MRO-2-00003 Onyx 25 Miniature. First up, the Trijicon MRO, a go-to red dot sight I've trusted for over a year on my FN SCAR 17. It's built for rugged, high-performance situations, making it ideal for serious shooters. With a 2 MOA dot, a large field of view, and exceptional durability, it's designed to survive drops, rain, and mud, all while delivering up to 5 years of battery life at setting 3. It's an amazing thing. My job, whether you're hitting the range or in a tactical scenario, the MRO offers peace of mind and consistent performance. For us, durable enough for tactical use. Excellent battery life. Clear glass with minimal glare. Cons: slight blue tint indoors. Pricey for those on a budget. For top-tier durability and clarity, the MRO is fantastic, but if you're looking for something more versatile, consider the HOLOSUN HS510C for great value. Number 3, Vortex Optics SPARC Red Dot Sights Gen 2 now. Let's talk about the Vortex SPARC Solar, which is a game changer for both premium and budget-conscious shooters. With the on-X magnification and a 2 MOA dot, it's perfect for precision shooting. Plus, you'll get an insane 1,500 hours of battery life, which is over 17 years. It even includes solar power to extend battery life in optimal light conditions. This feature ensures your sight is always ready when you need it most, whether you're at the range or in the field. Pros: solar power to save battery, 12 brightness settings day and night, tough, shockproof, and waterproof design. Cons: premium price, bulkier design. If you're looking for reliability and longevity, the Vortex SPARC Solar delivers. It's ideal for long-term use under a variety of conditions. Plus, Vortex's legendary warranty means you're covered no matter what. Number 2, HOLOSUN H510C CR/HS510C Multi-Reticle next. The HOLOSUN H510C, a fantastic middle-grade option that combines great features with an affordable price. With a multi-reticle system, you get both a 2 MOA dot and a 65 MOA circle for rapid target acquisition. Its battery lasts up to 500 hours, and it comes with a solar failsafe, meaning you're set for the long haul. It's built tough, waterproof with an IP67 rating, and handles drops without a problem. This sight is versatile, making it perfect for both competitive shooting and home defense. Pros: multi-reticle system for versatility, long battery life, extremely durable and waterproof. Cons: heavier than expected, might cause issues for those with severe astigmatism. The HS510C is ideal for those who need versatility, ruggedness, and excellent value without breaking the bank. Whether you're transitioning between close quarters and mid-range targets, this sight handles it all. Number 1, Trijicon MRO 2.0 MOA ADJ Red Dot. Finally, the Trijicon MRO 2.0 is our top pick for 2025. At a competitive price of around $450 with a mount, it delivers legendary durability and performance. It has a 5-year battery life, a wide 25-75/6 aluminum body. Despite a slight magnification and a subtle blue tint, the MRO offers excellent value for its price, especially when you consider its reliability and clarity. It's built for shooters who demand nothing but the best in performance and durability. Pros: great value for money. Highly durable 7075 touch 6 aluminum, crisp, clear dot. Cons: slight magnification noticeable. Blue tint. If you're after a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, the MRO is the way to go. It's a fantastic balance of affordability and reliability, making it suitable for any shooter. The winner, Trijicon MRO 2.0, MOA ADJ Red Dot overall. While all these sights have their strengths, the Trijicon MRO 2.0 takes the win. With its excellent balance of performance, durability, and price, it's the top choice for anyone looking for a dependable red dot sight without breaking the bank. Its simplicity, durability, and crisp dot Make it a solid investment for 2025 and beyond. So, what do you think? Do you agree with the winner, or would you choose another? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, all the links to these products are in the description. Check them out for the best deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, shoot smart, and keep aiming high.